Howdy. Bobby Bazan here again with Post Oak Savannah, Groundwater Conservation District. I'm getting ready to go out on the road and measure some wells. The last time we visited, I introduced you to the district's well monitoring network. We have over 100 landowners already participating in this program. But I got some questions back from people that were looking to volunteer their wells. I wanted to know what exactly does this entail. So this video, I hope to answer that question, give you a quick glimpse into how I measure water levels. If you want, stay tuned to the end of this video, I'll give you our contact information. You could reach out to me, learn how to volunteer your well into this program. As stated previously, we have more than 100 wells enrolled in our monitoring network. We measure the wells in the network annually. Water levels are measured at these wells using procedures consistent with state and federal agencies, such as the Texas Water Development Board and the U.S. Geological Survey. Even though most landowners participating in the monitoring network allow us access to their properties, I believe a little common courtesy goes a long way, so I always try to make my presence known. After a quick well or well house inspection, mostly I check for things that would bite or sting me. I prepare the equipment for measuring. A couple of options are available for measuring levels. The preferred method is the steel tape. The tape is less likely to get stuck in the well. Second option is an electronic line or E-line. And another option that we will talk about a bit later is a pressure transducer. Tape or line is sanitized to prevent contamination. The steel tape then is chalked. The chalk shows the water line once it's removed from the well. We use a non-toxic carpenter's chalk to accomplish this task. The line is fed into the well carefully to an estimated depth of the water. Usually asked or told on site, I didn't hear a splash, or how do you know you hit the water? The truth is, until a principal measurement like this is taken, water levels are merely estimated by using surrounding and modeled water levels in the area. With the E-line, it's a bit easier to determine water levels. Line is fed into the well carefully until a buzzer sounds, which lets you know you've reached the water. This happens because the E-line contains two electric wires that are switched on when water acts as a conductor to close the circuit. A reading is then taken from the graduated markings on the side of the line to indicate depth to water. These readings are taken manually at least once and up to 4 times a year. But when more readings are desired, we deploy a pressure transducer to take measurements. The pressure transducer stays in the well and contains a data logger that allows us to take water level measurements from as frequent as every minute to once a day or even weeks. We set them up to collect once an hour to look at daily as well as seasonal variations in water levels. Our monitoring network has great momentum, but while we have more than 100 wells in our network, we're asking for more landowner participation in this program. We hope to double or triple landowner participation. It's important to remember that more well data means better understanding of the health of our aquifers. So if you are interested in enrolling your well in the district's monitoring network, please contact me at the following number or email. Also, please check out our webpage or Facebook page to learn more about how Post Oak Savannah Groundwater Conservation District can serve you.